Hello, this is Lewis, aka Cockblocks, opening up a case of 2009 Topps UFC Round 2. We're on box number 4. Let's open this bad boy up and see what we get. Okay, there's 16 packs per box, 8 cards per pack, 4 hits per box, which would be 2 autos and 2 relics. Okay, we got a Rampage Jackson silver card. Okay, our first hit is whoa, GSP Ultimate Gear. And it seems to be in good condition. It's number 22 of 25. Wow, this is a great case so far. Okay. We got a Patrick Cote matte. Looks like we got another matte. Tyson Griffin. Just looking through the base cards real quick. I usually take out and separate the John Jones base cards. Okay, our second auto, Thiago Alves. So that should be it for the hits. I got 2 mats and 2 autos. Here's our John Jones base card. And our last pack. Vanderlei gold card. And that's it. This is Lewis, aka Cockblocks. I'm gonna be posting this video on YouTube to show the case hit that I just pulled. Here's a GSP Ultimate Gear Auto. Also, if you have any MMA trading card needs, a great website would be buymmacards.com. You can go on there and go to the forum and chat with very educated people on MMA cards, and you can read about and learn everything you need to know about cards. So that's buymmacards.com. Thanks.